Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the Sennheiser A60 gaming headphones. So these headphones feature a microphone and they also plug into your computer via USB, so they're extremely easy to set up. In addition to that, they're only about $25 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open them up, check them out. Come in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. Pull the headphones out right here. Alright, so right off the bat, pretty impressed with the way these look. Very nice white leather. Then you have this like chrome right here. Pretty cool. Nice logo on the side. So it looks like right here we have the USB and also the volume controls. So as you can see right here, we have a high quality USB connector, and this does say Sennheiser on it, which is pretty cool, and it has a logo. It has a little plastic guard on the USB connector. As you can see right here, the cable is covered with a nylon material to protect it. That also makes it pretty flexible as well, and you don't have to worry about it getting tangled up too bad. It does have this really nice rubber tie, and it's almost like a watch band. So it's kind of stretchy and it really keeps the cables in check. I like that. Moving up to the controls here, so I believe this is a light as well. And then right here you have some controls. So we have volume up and volume down. Then we have mute the mic and mute the entire headphones. So pretty cool, you can mute the headphones. If you hear something in the background or somebody's talking to you, you can quickly hear them. And then also you can mute the mic. Maybe you're streaming or you're on a game and you don't want anybody to hear what you're saying. And then let's go up to the A60s right here. So pretty robust earmuffs right here. These are big. They go all the way over your ear. A very nice cushion right here that's white. Kind of stands out. It looks cool. If you're a streamer, this is really going to stand out in your stream. Then up on the headband, also two big cushions right there. And these are pretty thick cushions. So the headphones do adjust to fit larger heads or maybe hair or a hat, as you can see. And then you have this nice chrome accent right here, which looks pretty cool. So on the left earmuff here, we have a very nice Sennheiser logo with some more chrome accents. And then as you can see, this has a very reflective look to it, so that looks pretty cool. I also think this lights up, we'll see though. And then right here, we have the microphone. So this microphone just pulls right out. And I like that because if you're gonna store it in your backpack, you can just tuck it away. You don't have to worry about it breaking off. And then if you're gonna use it, you can have it right here. So it's pretty cool. So I'll also do an audio test of this microphone so you can see how that sounds, because there are some reports of this being low quality, so we'll give it a try. Then over on the right earmuff, we have the same logo, and I believe this lights up with chrome accents as well. So really, just kind of simple headphones. They look cool, and hopefully they sound great. So real quick, before I plug them into my computer, I'm going to connect the headphones to a power bank so we can see if any of these lights turn on. All right, so I have the headphones connected to a power bank, and that turned on all the lights right here. So we have 3 lights on the control area right here. As you can see, they're white. And then on the actual headphones, the Sennheiser logo on each earmuff also lights up. Which is pretty cool. I really like the way this looks. It has some good detail in it, so it looks pretty cool. So now that we've checked them out, we've seen the lights and everything, let's get it hooked up to my computer and see how the audio from the microphone sounds. Hey guys, so I'm doing a quick microphone test with the Sennheiser A60 gaming headsets. And I have to say, plugging it into my computer, it really installed in about 10 to 15 seconds, and it set the microphone as the default microphone. So it's very, very easy to set up. As you can see, the audio quality from the microphone is not too bad. This would be great for streaming or for just using in-game. People could really hear you and with no issues. Also, the headphones feel great. They feel very sturdy on my head. I don't feel like they're gonna fly off at all. And as you can see, the logo lit up looks really cool on my head, as well as really easy to find the controls because they light up. All right, so after having had a chance to test out the Sennheiser A60 gaming headset, I have to say pretty impressed with it overall from every standpoint. Comfort, it feels great on your head. There's enough room in this earmuff to fit your entire ear, and it doesn't really get that hot. Usually with the over-the-ear headphones, my ears get hot and they kind of sweat. Didn't have that issue here, and it also felt great on my head from a comfort and softness standpoint on both the headband and both earmuffs. As you can see from the audio test I did, the microphone works great. It's not the best microphone on the market, but from the ease of a $25 pair of headphones, I think this is adequate and it does a great job. I also like that it folds up for easy storage. The audio quality from the headphones I felt was about mid-range. The highs and the mids came through very clear and crisp, but the lows such as the bass, things like that, they were a little weak, but nothing bad. I would still recommend these headphones for gaming, things like that. Music, I still don't think they're that bad, but if you're more into hip hop, things like that that are bass dependent, these may not be as enjoyable for you. Build quality, the headphones seem to be built pretty well. It is mostly plastic, so that's something to think about. If you're going to be carrying them in your backpack, they could break, but they do seem to be pretty sturdy, and I think they would hold up pretty well. All the lights and everything seem to work pretty well, and the cable seemed to be of high quality as well. One thing I want to point out that I thought was pretty cool, so this little rubber cable management thing is actually attached to the cable, so you have to worry about losing it, which I think is great. So the controls work great. They were very responsive. I found that the muting buttons worked great, and it was compatible with my Windows 10 computer. And then the volume buttons were also very responsive, and it brought the volume down by 2 points each out of 100. So those were the Sades A60 gaming headsets. If you have any questions about these headphones, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel Gauging Gadgets for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.